Good morning, Lucy. What are we up to today, huh? Are we going to be cooking outside again? Yes, we are. So what do we have? We have my Mini, and we have my Blue Eddy EB whatever 600 watt. And what are we cooking today? I saw this. I think I got it for $1.50. Okay, that may not be the best. Ramen noodles and sauce. Oh my gosh. So, 380 calories. We're not going to eat all those noodles, but there is 8 grams of protein. And if you want to read the list of ingredients, there you go. All right, I just need to set up. She looks so interested, doesn't she? All right, so this is my Blue Eddy EB3A 600 watts. So let's see how much power we have since we're going to be plugging into there. It's 100% recharge. Good. I hope that light didn't come on. It didn't. What am I cooking with? This is my mini noodle cooker, and this is my thing for solo stove, and it fits right in there. And all we need is to heat up some water, and we got this, and then I'll wrap it in towels. And not a lot of cleanup. This is my fork, knife, and spoon right there. So looking good. All right, it says it needs 6.4 ounces of water, and on the inside it has like up to 30 ounces, 10, 20, 30. So let me pour it in. Too much is okay. Woo! We just picked this up over at the water place for $1. There we go. All right, it says 10 ounces. Very good. I love that, my solo stove thingy. So what do we do next? We're going to put it up here. There we go. Put the lid on it, Terry. There we go. I like this. This is the solo stove thing, and it has a little pour spout. So next, we're going to see if the red light comes on. I know we're in shadow. I'll let you know when the red light comes on. Up. The red light appears to be on. So we'll see how long it takes to make this. All right, I hear boiling water. I do. Let's see how much of my battery did it use. It's down to 87, so it used 13% of the battery. Let's look in here, see what we got. Now this is all new. Maybe another minute, maybe another minute. That looks pretty good. Oh my gosh, I'm going to pour it in here. This is what the inside of this looks like. I can see like powdered egg and everything, but the true test is whether or not it tastes good, right? So that's what we're going to see. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with this so far. Can I lift this? Yeah, that doesn't burn my fingers. This is the first time that I get to do this in a long time, so it's all new to me. So that's pretty cool. I'm really super duper excited. Yay! And then I'll cover it with my towels for about 3 minutes. I think that's how long it says it's going to take. But in the meanwhile, while that's been boiling, I've been putting electrolytes into my water. I've been refilling it. Out in the desert, I go through about a gallon almost every day. So that's why I refill this over at the quarter place. I will do a drive-through and show you where. All right, I'm so excited. The time has come. I can hear it at a boil. I'm going to turn that off. Yay. Yep, it's boiling. Close enough to it. Yay. Oh, that just fits in my dog dish right there. Let's see. Can I do this one-handed? Probably not. We'll be back. Yeah, it's sunny out here. I'll be honest with you, it does smell like maple syrup pancakes. It does. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so interesting. Like I said, I think I got it for $1.50 somewhere, probably grocery outlet. So hopefully it's not gross, right? All right, now the final chapter. What does it taste like? Lucy, here's yours. Can you come in the camera, Lucy? There you go. Wait a minute. Whoa, there she goes. There she goes. Go after it. All right, where's my Spam stuff? Here's my Spam stuff. I think cup of noodle, fork, knife, and spoon. I love that fork museum. I'm sure you can buy this on the inner zones. Just type in Spam museum, right? All right. Ooh, it smells good. You know what? I'm going to pick up the camera and show you what it looks like because I'm not tilting it over. I've done that before. All right. Can you see the inside? Looks good. Look at all that egg in there. That's why it has 8 grams of protein. But does it taste any good? Let's find out. Ooh, I'm scared. It smells like maple, sausage. There's sausage chunks in there. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I did this. It's nice and hot, but not too hot. What did it use? Do you remember how much of my battery it used? Not a lot. So with my mini noodle cooker with that 600 watt Blue Eddy, I'll probably get 4 meals or more out of it. Or yeah, heat up a cup of coffee. Lucy's having fun right there eating. Moment of truth. I thought I was going to hate this. I did think I was going to hate this. All right, so if you ever see these breakfast in a cup, it does have 8 grams of protein, 54 carbohydrates. We're not going to eat all that. But this is so freaking delicious. Oh my gosh, so I'm going to eat it. What are you guys eating for lunch? Put it in the comments below. I can't believe it. A couple of noodles came out with it. It is a limited edition. Now let's try the sausage. Let's try a piece of sausage. Oh, okay, it's just broken in half. That's what the sausage looks like. And oh my God, that's so good. That I should have bought like 20 of these. So next time, I know these are great for camping. That's the egg. Lucy, you getting jealous? Oh my gosh, it is so good. All right. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Put it in the comments below what you think. And wait a minute, Lucy, strap that food bag off. We will see you down the road, right? Bye, everyone, from Quartzsite.